you go. Okay, so first at the front we have our frontal bone. Here is the parietal bone. Down near the bottom is the occipital bone, and then on the sides are the temporal bone. Coming up to the top, we have our coronal suture coming across here, our sagittal suture this way, our lambdoid suture, and then our squamose suture right here. Okay. Ooh. Coming to the face, we have our glabella right here at our forehead in between our eyes. We have our nasal bone, our vomer bone, which is that skinny one right in the nose, our anterior nasal spine, mandible, the maxilla is the both sides of the nose, and then we have, with our mandible and our mental foramen, which is right here, foramen, we have the mandibular notch, which is this hole right here, and then our mandibular ramus, which is right here. When we go to the eyes, we have our lacrimal bone, which is like kind of our nose, but also kind of in the eyes, so looking at it like right there. We have our optic foramen, which is up in the eyes, and then if you go to the very back, at the top, you have the superior orbital fissure, and inferior, you have the inferior orbital fissure. When you come to the side, we have our sphenoid bone right here, and then we have our mastoid process, our styloid process, which is that right there. We have our zygomatic bone, which is like our cheekbones, and that's